In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off friend activity on Spotify. If you've ever glanced at the right side of the Spotify desktop app and seen a feed showing what your friends are listening to, that's the friend activity panel. It can be fun, but it can also be distracting, especially when you just want a clean, focused interface. The good news is, you can hide it in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the exact steps so nothing gets missed. First, open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. This walkthrough applies to the app on Windows and Mac. If you're using the web player in a browser or the mobile app on your phone, you won't see this particular setting, because the Friend Activity panel is a desktop-only feature. Once the desktop app is open, look to the top right corner of the window for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might show your profile picture or a generic silhouette. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to a page with a number of sections that control how Spotify looks and behaves. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Display. This area handles visual options for the interface, including panels and sidebars. Under Display, look for the toggle called See What Your Friends Are Playing. By default, it's usually turned on. Click the switch to turn it off. As soon as you do, the Friend Activity panel should disappear from the right side of the app. There's no need to restart. The change applies immediately. If you don't see it update right away, give the app a second, or briefly switch to another playlist and back. A quick note for clarity. Turning off See What Your Friends Are Playing only controls what you see. It hides your friends' activity from your view. It doesn't change whether your friends can see you're listening. If your goal is to limit what others can see about your activity, there are separate privacy controls in Spotify, like adjusting your sharing preferences or using a private session. Those are different settings from the one we just changed. If you ever miss the panel and want it back, simply return to the same display section and switch See What Your Friends Are Playing back on. That's it. Open the desktop app, head to Settings from your profile icon, scroll to Display, and turn off the toggle. Enjoy a cleaner Spotify interface with fewer distractions, and happy listening.